The 470EX-AI looks like any other Canon Speedlite, but has motors inside the base and hinge, and a sensor in the corner of the flash face. When you double-tap the shutter button on your camera, the flash points to the subject, calculates the distance, then points to the ceiling and does the same. Immediately after, the flash reorients one last time in what thinks is the best direction to achieve the perfect bounce light for your subject. The new flash is a delicious idea, the kind that we're really starting to see a bit more about Canon lately. But there are some limitations. On the one hand, if you let the flash choose a point, and then you move to recompose your photo, you have to do the whole process again or the light will bounce in the wrong direction. The flash can also only perform magic on the ceiling, turn the camera to the sides and continue aiming after the measurement. There is a limit of 23 feet for the sensor, and if the roof is black, it will simply point upwards. However, there is something called semi-automatic mode, and while it is not so flashy, I feel it could be the same, if not more, useful for semi-professionals. This mode essentially allows the photographer to choose whatever angle he wants to aim the flash, lock it, and then every time he taps the shutter button twice, the flash will return to that angle. You will not always be able to return to the exact same place depending on how the photographer or camera moves between shots. But it's the kind of thing that could save precious seconds. Suppose you know for certain that you always want to bounce the flash from a large white wall that is nearby. With the 470EX-AI, you can set that angle, which removes the need to search for the flash every time you move the camera or yourself. All this additional technology did not inflate the price too much, and can still be used as a normal flash if you wish. However, one word of warning, there is no radio transmitter on the 470EX-AI. Anyway, it's an exciting idea from Canon, and personally I hope it's a sign that it's more out of the ordinary, but useful. The products are in process,